Hey everyone, I'm Ankush Singh Gandhi and welcome to my channel The Trek Extreme. So today I see my Hacktoberfest backpack and here it's quick unboxing video. So let's start.
Ice cream, bring that ice, boy. Walk in, know that side. Yeah, they can't tell me why. Word, I don't even need no lies. Ayy, got me.
So guys, this is my first Hacktoberfest backpack. So now just I'm going to quickly unbox it. So you can see what's inside this backpack. By the way, I know it's a t-shirt and some stickers. So let's do it.
Prepare to die.